Welcome to Infotech Lead Videos. Here we have Mr. Sunil V. Thomas, Associate Vice President for Marketing at Cellcomm Solutions, talking about connectivity and application management solutions at IoT India Confex 2017.
The topic that we are going to address today is connectivity and application management solutions. Most of the people who were present here yesterday, we already discussed about what IoT is. You don't have to elaborate on what IoT is today. And the previous speaker also elaborated on the various opportunities that IoT has opened. Still, IoT is something like a system which is available anytime, anywhere, anything, and for anyone. So if you have a complex system where you are connected to anything in the world, and you want to have the data available at any point of time, that is what the IoT system talks about. The major components in the IoT, everybody knows. It's a combination of the sensors, the communication system, the people and the processes. All these components put together constitutes IoT. If any of these systems fails, the whole synergy is lost. And going to some analytics of on the predicted growth, where there is an anticipated growth of, or say, people talk about connecting more than double-digit billion devices by the next decade. So that gives us an insight on what is the level of opportunity that the IoT domain as a whole opens up. The major areas of growth mostly are to the home automation. We heard about the speakers yesterday on the various aspects of the home automation. The transport, we have our friend who has been talking about the tracking systems. On the health side, and also the building automation. But when it comes to the domestic market, especially the Indian market, we heard the government announcing more than 100 smart cities, which have to be smart in all aspects. So the people working in the IoT domain have got enormous opportunities to work in the IoT domain when all these 100 smart cities, more than 100 smart cities which are announced, are going to be established. Now, having said about the opportunities that it has opened up for all the component or the people working in the different component levels, what is the need of the hour? The need of the hour is to identify a company or a partner, a reliable partner for the telemetry solutions. Since it is a complex code, we need to identify a partner who can provide the local support, because the data is very important, the analytics of that thing is very important. So all the people who are involved in this ecosystem, unless and until they are able to provide support, the system collapses. And the analytics part, we need to have an experienced and flexible developer for the firmware, hardware, and the software. The three major components which constitutes this. Most of the cases what happens is, we are going to have a rigid system. If the system is rigid, not flexible, then it becomes difficult for the partners to leverage on this. Because the requirement of the customer changes day by day. Today he wants the reports in a particular format. Tomorrow it will be in a different format. Today he wants to do the analysis in a particular format. So unless and until the partner is flexible, it becomes difficult for the system to run. And there are many turnkey solution providers in the IoT system. People who take up large projects in the IoT domain. So the people or the companies working in the other domains of IoT, unless and until they are ready to support these turnkey solution providers, the system is going to collapse. When we talk about the connectivity management platform, it's basically for connecting, controlling, and managing systems. It's mostly on the hardware part. And we have the centralized controlling and monitoring of the connected devices, which again is linked to the application management platform. All this data communication is through the segment networks. And our customers are provided with dedicated software licenses, usually in the form of dongles, which are required for running the software licenses. Quickly on to the application management platform, it's basically a data collection platform which we develop, and an analytics platform on which we do the data analytics. It has got the local storage and the storage in the cloud. It has got the user-friendly dashboard which gives all the real-time data, the predictions, all the alarm alerts, all those things are available in the dashboards. A user-friendly web interface where you can log into your system and see what are the site details. All the formats, the customizable formats, in the formats that the customer requires, and the secure login option.